Hello everyone, a very good evening. Welcome to Vidatri. Hope you all are ready to watch the beautiful designers today. And manaki Vidatri lo Mukta wala sale jarutundi 26 nunchi 31st. Complete morning till night. You can just visit our store and explore your favorite designers. And we are giving up to 30% off on all the collections over here. So do visit and explore your favorite. And this is the number you need to order on if you want to order online. The number is 73963820067. You can either WhatsApp or just call on that number and we'll be happy to ship your favorite saree at your doorstep. Name is one of the lovely color, yellow with orange color contrast, and the body of the saree comes with silver checks and border kuda manki silver zari designer vastundi. You can just take the screenshot of the saree if you love it and message to our team for orders. Let's begin the live with the first one. So today we are going to see the organza collections. Organza floral. This is the organza saree which is light pink in color. You can observe the difference. And border kuda manki violet color border. And body of the saree mottam kuda manki text vastundi with chikankari thread work. You can see the saree. It's full of thread work which is a chikankari and colorful too. Border kuda manki zari border vastundi which is with a golden weave. The color combination is so beautiful. And this is the pallu with a simple and elegant finish. Almost anni sarees ki kuda today we are getting a simple and elegant finish pallus. And this is the blouse. So the blouse comes with a contrast color which is a violet color with checks pattern and a short border. So you can team up like this and you can try this kind of blouses too. This saree is priced at 6,899. These are the pure organza collections. Don't miss out these. The colors are so beautiful. This is yellow with blue color combination. Such a lovely color. Do take the screenshot for orders and message to our team. And we are having only single piece and single colors. So hurry up and book as soon as possible. This is one more lovely color. Yellow with blue. And the body of the saree is having the yellow color chikankari thread work and the border with a golden zari and check pattern designer border. Such a lovely one running on either sides. And here is the pallu, as I said, with a simple and elegant finish. And we have got a blouse which is a contrast color. So this is how you can team up. You can go with the short sleeves or till the elbows. And the saree is priced at 6,999. These are beautiful fancy wear kind of sarees. You can just try this for any sort of occasions. This is light blue with yellow color border. So bottom border is little bigger, so it looks elegant when we pleat it up. Bottom kuda florals vastundi which is with a golden zari. And the body of the saree is with chikankari thread work with white and pink color mix. Such a lovely color, you can just witness in the video itself. The color is so pretty and suits for all the age groups. So hurry up. And this is the pallu. And we have got a blouse with a self-embossed pattern. Beautiful blouse. You can go with the stone works if you want. It looks elegant with the saree. And this is priced at 9,399. And the next one, this is one more pretty color combination, dual color. So dual colors always gives you a fashion look. It looks like a half saree kind of model. This is one of a kind, yellow with pink color. So the bottom border comes with pink and golden color with these. And body of the saree mottam kuda manki chikankari thread work vastundi with a very close knitted pattern, looking very lovely. And this is the pallu with a check finish. And we have got the blouse with a contrast color and the self-embossed pattern. This is how you can pair up. The color of the saree is so beautiful. You can just take the screenshot for orders. This is priced at 6,999. We have got one more color. We have got some color options. You can do check out. This is sea green with yellow color combination with chikankari thread work running throughout the body. It's a close knitted pattern which is a floral design. And border kuda manki simple design vastundi which is with a golden weave. running on either sides. And this is the pallu with a check pattern finish, simple and elegant. And here is the blouse. So blouse kuda manaki check pattern tho vastundi, which is a contrast color, sea green. And the saree is priced at 6,999. These are the new arrivals. So hurry up, you can book your favorite saree through online. This is orange with purple, one of the elegant color combination. Such a lovely one, don't miss out this color, it's looking so pretty. And body of the saree is having white color chikankari thread work, which is a floral running throughout the body. And border kuda manaki check patterns to with small motifs to vastundi, which is with a golden weave. 2 borders running on either sides, and this is the pallu with a contrast finish. You can observe the detailing. Each and every saree is so beautiful and pretty. This is the blouse, and this is how you can pair up. Go with the short sleeves, this kind of a blouse. And saree is priced at 6,899. This is lemon yellow color, such a beautiful one of the classic color combination. And border vachesi manaki koncham pedda border vastundi. We have some color options in this type of designer. You can contact our team for that. And the body of the saree is having white and pink color florals, which is a chikankari thread work. And even the bottom border is with florals and with a golden weave. This is the pallu. Manaki border continuation kuda vastundi pallulo, so you can just flaunt it in a single pattern too. And this is the blouse with the self embossed pattern. You can even try out the chikankari thread work on this blouse as well to make it look elegant. This saree is priced at 9,399. We'll move on with the next color. This is one of the bright color, attractive color too. Body of the saree comes with chikankari thread work, which is white color, the floral running throughout the body. And border which is manki orange color border with golden color weave. The saree is so pretty with check patterns too. You can just take the screenshot of the saree for orders and message to our team for the orders. And here is the pallu with a contrast finish. You can observe the detailing. It's very pure and elegant. And this is the blouse, which is the orange color, the perfect contrast. This saree is priced at 6,899. మనకి విధాత్రిలో ముగ్ధా వాళ్ళ సేల్ జరుగుతుంది 26 నుంచి 31st దాకా. You can just visit our store and explore the collections. We are giving up to 30% off on all the sales over here. This is light yellow color with chikankari threadwork border running on either sides, and the body of the saree is having the digital floral prints, which are the rose bunches. You can observe in the video. Indaka saree anta manaka complete chikankari threadwork, but from the saree it differs. You can see the difference, very pretty. This is the pallu with chikankari thread finish and the blouse. So the blouse comes with a digital pattern, the florals on it. This is how you can team up, lemon yellow color. If you want, you can even try out the contrast colors, and the price is 7,659. The colors are so beautiful. These are the pastel colors. So pastel colors gives you the classy look automatically. It gives that finish, and body of the saree is having the colorful floral bunches and 2 thin borders running on either sides, which is a pink color chikankari thread work. So beautiful colors. I'll be showing you few more colors in this type of sarees. You can just go through the colors. I'm sure definitely you will love your favorite one. This is the pallu. And దీనికి కాంబినేషన్గా మనకి సేమ్ కలర్ బ్లౌజ్ వస్తుంది with the digital prints on it. If you want, you can even try out the contrast colors. This saree is priced at 7,659. We'll move on with the next color. This is one of my favorite light ice blue color combination, which comes under the pastel group again. This is a classic color which suits for the Chandi occasions. And the body of the saree is having the pastel florals, which is the rose florals running throughout, and 2 thin borders running on either sides, which is with the thread work, the chikankari thread work. And this is the pallu, and here's the blouse. So the same color blouse always highlights the saree, so you can just go with this kind of blouses too. The saree is priced at 7,659. And the next color, this is light sandal color, which has the colorful florals on it. These are the digital prints, and two kind of borders, which is a chikankari thread work. So all the sarees are of the same material and same design, but the color changes. You can just observe the pattern too. This is the pallu, and here is the blouse. So the blouse comes with the same running color but with different kind of florals, which is black color. And this saree is priced at 7,659. This is one of the subtle color. This is pastel peach. Body of the saree mottam kuda manki colorful florals vastundi, which are the rose flowers. These are the digital prints and two thin borders running on either sides, which is a chikankari thread work. The color is so beautiful, you can just try on. And this is the pallu with a simple and elegant finish. And for this we have got the blouse, which is the same running color. You can team up like this, or you can even try out some contrast blouses if you want. This saree is priced at 7,659. We'll move on with the next one. This is the pastel grey. Body of the saree mottam kuda manki chikankari thread work vastundi. It's completely filled, which is with white color, and akkadakada you can see the colorful florals too. The two different kind of mixture in this saree, and two thin borders running on either sides, which is a thread work pattern. Here is the pallu. With beautiful finish, you can observe the pallu, it gives the highlight, looking elegant. And here is the blouse. So the blouse comes with plain black color designer, which is a floral print. And the saree is priced at 9,359. Manaki Vidhatrilo Mugda sale jarutundi. It's from 26 to 31. And we are giving up to 20% off on all the collections over here. Do visit and explore your favorite designer. This is the light pink color. Body of the saree mottam kuda chikankari thread work vastundi, same as the previous one. And you can also see the colorful floral bunches on it and two thin borders. Such a lovely color, the rose color combination suits for everyone. And this is the pallu, which gives you that elegant finish. Manam single ga kuda flaunt chesukochu. And this is the blouse. This saree is priced at 9,359. The color is so elegant. This is light lemon yellow color, very light, and the body of the saree is having the pretty florals, which is with light pastel colors running throughout the body, and two thin borders, which is with chikankari thread work. Same body of the saree color lone manaki thread work kuda vastundi, you can observe that. And here is the pallu with a simple finish, and the blouse. So the blouse is always to highlight the saree. That's the concept behind the same running blouse. This saree is priced at 7,659. You can just take the screenshot of your favorite saree and message to our team for orders, and they will assist you with the details. This is light green, the pista green, and the body of the saree is having light pink color florals running throughout the body, and two thin borders running on either sides, which is with the florals and chikankari thread work. This is the pallu. And here is the blouse. So the blouse comes with the same running color and black color designs on it. You can just take the screenshot of the saree for orders, and then the price is 7,659. Few more colors to go. This is peach color with chikankari thread work and the colorful printed pattern over the saree. Such a lovely one. Do take the screenshot and message to our team for orders. The number is 73963820067. It's a number which is of the number board right beside me. Do take the screenshot for reference. And this is the pallu with the full of chikankari thread work. And we have got a blouse, which is the same running color and a beautiful pattern. This is how the blouse looks. This is priced at 9,359. And the next color, this is sea green color, so beautiful, and body of the saree also comes with the thread work. Today's special is all about the chikankari thread work on an organza, and colorful florals kuda vastundi saree lo. Such a lovely color. Do take the screenshot for orders and message to our team. This is the pallu with the chikankari thread work finish. And here is the blouse. So beautiful blouse we have got with the same running color. And this saree is priced at 9,359. Very lovely colors. And this is the last one for today from the organza collections. This is one more color, chikankari thread work with light rose color florals running throughout the body, and two thin borders which is also having the florals with the beautiful thread work. And this is the pallu, so you can see the pallu with pretty finish. And we have got the blouse with the same running color, such a pretty pattern, and the saree is priced at 9,359. And yes, that's all for today. Choose and feather the collections of organza sarees with chikankari thread work. One of the lovely collections which suits for all the occasions. Don't miss out these designers. Go through the live again, find your favorite and just take a screenshot and message to our team for orders. The number is 73963820067. And manaki Vidhatrilo Mugdavari sale jarutundi. So you can just visit, and we are giving up to 30% off on all the collections over here. It's from 26 to 31. So please note it down and do visit. And again, we'll be back within 15 minutes in Vidhatri Pattuchira Instagram page. We'll be showing another different designers. You can watch over there. Until then, bye-bye.